Make sure when you're using hand sanitizer, it's at least 60 to 95% alcohol based. Whoa. That's not how we cough into our arms.
How do we cough into our arms?
Good question. Let me show you. When we have to cough or sneeze into our arms, and look away from who you're talking to.
Yes, sir.
Right on. Alright, what else have we been doing?
I've been sanitizing my workstation.
Sanitizing our workstation. After we come to work and check our vital signs and wash our hands with the lathery soap, we want to make sure we clean our workstation. Corey, how are you cleaning your workstation today?
I'm using sterilizing Sanitize that are an effective sterilizer.
Good job! So once we sanitize their area, what's next, Corey?
Well, I was going to see if you could come up in here with me to give me a hand.
I would love to. Thank you, sir. Safety first. So if we're going to be interacting with the public, what are some things that we need to do?
I think it's always important to make sure and wear a mask to protect yourself and members of the public.
Good job. Masks can be provided to you by the city, and if you don't have anybody, please reach out and we can get you some. So the proper way to put on our mask. And make sure you tighten it down as such. Are we forgetting anything?
Yes, why tell us, Mickey?
What's on your head?
Oh, eye protection is vital. If someone's coughing or sneezing around you, it helps protect your eyes from airborne matter.
Alright, let's put on our glasses. Fancy.
You look excellent.
Well, thank you. Alright, are we ready to deal with the public?
Yes.
Yes, let's go to work.